My name is Alex Kingstrom and I'm a technical manager for the School of Physics, Engineering and Computer Science at the University of Hertfordshire. We are currently standing in our hydraulics lab in our brand new building of Spectra. We very recently moved in July of 2024. We're fully kitted out with TecQuipment equipment and we've had much success with it. The University of Hertfordshire has a long tradition of teaching computer science, engineering, physics, astronomy, mathematics, and we've brought them all together in a school of specs. We focus on, in engineering, we have many degrees. We run automotive with motorsports. We have electrical engineering degrees. We have aerospace degrees, mechanical engineering degrees. We have many computer science degrees. We also do a whole slew of physics, astronomy, mathematics degrees. I've never had anything but fantastic customer support from the sales team as well as the installation team. The technical teams have been fantastic and I would highly recommend them. This is the TecQuipment EC1500 unit, which we use to teach the students about the refrigeration cycle. There's a couple aspects I really like about this piece of equipment. The biggest one being VDAS, which we can get digital readouts of all the information relevant to the experiment. But I also like the physical gauges here. It does help to show what's actually happening in the pressure of the system. We are already connected to the VDAS. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the compressor. I'm going to turn on the pump. And I'm going to collect the data. This piece of equipment is used by both our automotive engineering and thermodynamics students, as well as our mechanical engineering students. I would have to say that my favorite piece of equipment is the 5 Metre Flume. I absolutely love it. We've had loads of students run civil engineering projects on the Flume, and I think it's absolutely fantastic.